Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be slightly different from my previous videos because today is gonna be like a kind of review, first impression of this little guy that I have here. It's the Nikita Dragun palette with Morphe. I'm so excited to try this one and play with the colors. I ordered it like a couple of weeks ago and finally got it on the mail last week. This palette have 35 shades. The two bottom rows are more like the neutral everyday colors, and the three bottom rows are more like the colorful shades. We have like a hot pink, a neon green. So let's see which look I'm going to create today. Definitely is going to be a colorful one, out of my comfort zone, but let's see. If you want to see the final result, please keep on watching. But first, you know the drill, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to start with the eyes because I don't know if this palette have like a lot of fallouts, and I don't want to mess with my complexion if I put the foundation first and all that. So yes, we're gonna start with the eyes, and the eyebrows are done already. And today I'm going to use these eyeshadow shields, and they will help me as a guide for the eyeshadows. I'm going to start prepping my eyelids with this Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C1. To set the concealer in place, I'm going to use the color Lipgloss, which is this like creamy color here. As my transition shade, the one that is going to guide me through all this look, I'm going to use this light pink, like purple color over here. It's called Sakura. Now to define a little bit more the crease, I'm going to grab like a small brush and I'm going to use the color Nikita, which is this hot pink over here. I don't want to do like a full cut crease, but I want like a light base so the next color will pop up more. So I'm going to apply a little bit more of concealer just like in the center of the eyelid. And now with my finger, I'm going to put this blue color, which is beautiful. It's called Baby Boy or Baby Boy, I don't know, but I'm going to apply with my finger because I want like the maximum payoff color that I can get. So, and then I'm going to blend obviously the edges with a brush. I want to add like a purple color in the outer corners, and I want like a deep I want like a deep purple, so I think I'm going to use this Mama Dragun color, which is this gorgeous purple color, and then I might darken it like a little bit with this color over here, which is called Mystique. It's not as deep as I thought, but it's not bad either. Yes, on top I'm going to put that dark shimmery purple, which is called Mystique. This eyeshadow, it have more like a powdery consistency compared to the other shades that I tried so far. Interesting. Honestly, I don't see a major difference. What do you guys think? Let's add a little bit more. I'll come back to the eyes later to finish the look, so I'm going to move on to the complexion. So I'm going to remove these eyeshadow shields. For the complexion, I'm going to start with the Tatcha primer, the Silk Canvas. For foundation, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro in the color Fair. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the same one that I used to prime my eyelids, the Makeup Revolution one. Now to contour my face, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in the color Amber. Now to set the foundation, concealer and everything in place, I'm going to use the Ciate London setting powder, the coconut setting powder. For bronzer, I'm going to use the bronzer color from this Cover FX palette. I like it because it's kind of a cool bronzer shade. Going back to the eyes to finish the look, I'm going to start backwards. So I'm going to grab the blue color first, and then I'm going to grab the hot pink one. And with an angle brush, I'm going to apply it all over the lash line. And now I'm going to grab the first pink that I used, and I'm going to drag it a little bit under the hot pink that I just applied. I'm going to do like a small wing with my Wet n Wild liner. There you go. This one is the breakup proof one. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use the brightening color from this same Cover FX palette. Now for mascara, I'm going to use this one from Nikkita. Now for the lips, and to finish this look, I'm going to use this lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the color Lemonade. Okay, this is the final look. I really like it. It's not my first option. Goes to go-to looks with hot pink and blue and purples, but I think the combination, it's beautiful. For this palette over here, overall it's a good palette. Some shades are like a little bit powdery, and the shimmers, or at least the one that I tried, it have like that powdery consistency, but the payoff is not that great. Definitely you can add more layers and build up the color, but it's not like as rich as I thought. But overall I like it. I need to play with it a little bit more, but overall I think it's a really nice palette, and it's for 35 shades. I think it's really affordable. I think it was like 30 bucks or something. I'm going to leave the information in the comment section below, but yeah, I think it's a good palette. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next week. Bye.